Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Warrior Plus monthly recurring commissions for beginners. And this is also can be helpful if you've got some experience online. But as a beginner for Warrior Plus, I just started promoting Warrior Plus offers, and I want to show you how you can get into profit fast and how you can earn monthly recurring commissions and build a solid, sustainable business online with Warrior Plus. I'm live in my Gmail account here, so I get notifications for my Warrior Plus commissions. And you'll see that I've been promoting Warrior Plus for just over a month, and I pay $15 a month for these two products, the Click Engine and Traffic Blaster Pro. And what I want to do is show you today some very important stats on why I recommend promoting these two products and getting started with these two products. But beyond that, Warrior Plus has thousands of other products that you can promote once you start to learn and get into profit. And if you haven't got a Warrior Plus account, then it's free to set one up. You go into Google, you type in Warrior Plus, and you set up a free account. So I'm live in my account here with Warrior Plus, and the stats I want to draw your attention here to these two products are the hops conversion. So what you'll see here is 12% and 15% are what these two products are converting at. So if you're going to take the time and possibly the money, I predominantly use free traffic with these. If you're going to take the time to promote and maybe spend even some profits into reinvesting and promoting these products, you want to make sure that they're converting well and that the sales page converts if you're going to get some traffic to these offers. So the industry average is 1 to 2%, and you'll see here that 12 and 15% are what these offers are currently converting at. And my total there is $199.10. So if you take off my $15 from there, I'm roughly about $185 in profit for that first month. Let's have a look in more detail. First of all, the Click Engine, and I'm in Warrior Plus here. What you do is when you go into Warrior Plus, to give you some great information, I'm going to go into products and show you several reasons why you can not only get into profit and stay in profit, but how you can earn instant commissions. It's a built-in funnel of 6 products. So you promote one link, and then what the offer does, the owner Jeff, he's put 5 different upsells into the offer. So this is one of the ways you get into profit fast with Warrior Plus and this product. The I here denotes recurring income. So this is the core product, and this is where you start to earn 50% commissions. So once you get 2 members, once you refer 2 paying members to the Click Engine, then that's your membership paid for, and you're going to get 100% real buyers traffic on autopilot for free. And these other upsells are converting really well, and they range from $2 up to $32. So this is the reason why you can get into profit fast by just promoting one link, and you earn 50% commission on all of these offers here. And if I just show you this here, this is one of the key things about the Click Engine. Jeff is a 6-figure earner, and as a member, you have to be a member of the Click Engine. So for just over $1 a week, you can start to get your 100% autopilot buyers traffic to any offer. And he's put in the training a $1,000 per month affiliate marketing training plan. Gives you all the affiliate tools you need. So you can also use this training to promote any offer online, even including the next offer that I'm going to show you, which is Traffic Blaster Pro. So the key thing is to learn from six-figure earners like Jeff, who have been online for several years. He's created this offer and he wants you to be successful. And the reason he's done that, he's created this free training for his members so they can get up to $1,000 per month with this affiliate marketing plan. And all the tools and resources are there for you to do that with the training. So there'll be a link in the description and it'll take you to the page here. Currently it's $4.90 a month, so just over $1 a week. And that's how it's easy to get into profit fast, and just referring to members. What Jeff also gives you is 8 bonuses, and these bonuses will help you build any other business online as well as the click engine. So there teaches you how to learn some new skills. The more new skills that you learn, the more successful you'll be online. So traffic booster, get into list building. List building is key. Super affiliate edge. So some great bonuses there that you can get for free when you join the click engine. So I'm going to put a link in the description that will take you to a page like this. And there's also a short video there that lasts a few minutes that you can watch as well. Let's move on to Traffic Blaster Pro. And this really is another way to earn Warrior Plus monthly recurring commissions for beginners. You can start you can start Traffic Blaster Pro for $1. They've got a $1 7-day trial. Watch the short video here. That's a great way for you to start for $1 and gives you access in the back office and how you can use Traffic Blaster Pro to earn your monthly recurring commissions online. They also give you the same bonuses that Jeff's giving away. I think maybe there may be some different bonuses there. There's some different bonuses here. Done for you sales funnel, hands-free income. But there are, again, 8 bonuses for you to build any online business. And 3 simple steps here, which is submit your link to receive your traffic, then get your sales funnel and promote your business. So this is a key tool that they use within Traffic Blaster Pro. Once you become a member, you go and click here to get started, and they've got what's called a done for you funnel. So they give you a lead capture page, they give you autoresponder follow-up messages, and if you don't want to plug your own autoresponder in, you don't have to do. They'll just send those out from their server, but you can plug yours in to get response and Aweber if you have those 2 autoresponders already set up. And so everything's done for you with Traffic Blaster Pro. They've got a funnel. All you got to do is drive your traffic. And if you want to learn some free traffic strategies and you join through my link in the description, then I'll work with you on some free traffic strategies. Let's have a look at why this product is converting really, really well. So I need to log back in here, bear with me, and then we'll go into, I want to show you the 11 income streams built into the Traffic Blaster Pro. So this is one of the reasons here why this is such a successful product. So I'm in Warrior Plus again. We're going to go into products, and Traffic Blaster Pro goes up on a sliding scale. They start you at 50% commissions, and then what they do is the more members you refer to Traffic Blaster Pro, you can earn up to 75% commissions on a sliding scale. Now, because of the owners of Traffic Blaster Pro, they're very experienced in selling solo ads, and they've been doing that for several years. Two gentlemen co-own this program, and they've very cleverly put the traffic into the funnel, and that will help you earn extra income streams. So the I here, these are your recurring income streams. This is where you refer members and you start to build a solid monthly recurring income. And what you'll see here are these solo ad traffic packs that are built into the funnel, and all these are available once you become a member of Traffic Blaster Pro. But when any of your referrals order any of these solo ad packs, you're going to earn the commissions on these orders. So you're not only going to earn the recurring monthly income, you can also earn the upsells on double the buyer traffic, the 6-month subscriptions and the $1 trial. But there's also 5 traffic packs here that you can earn additional income streams with. And they've put together a little funnel map. So again, you're just promoting one link. They've done another funnel map here. There's a new one coming out with upsells and downsells. But all you do is promote one link, and then these are built into the funnel for you. And this is how you can earn not only your monthly recurring commissions, but these additional products within the funnel help you get into profit faster, stay in profit, and then if you want to do, you can start to reinvest some of those profits to scale up even faster as well. And I've just covered the done for you funnel there. Traffic Blaster Pro has a Facebook group, and within this Facebook group we've got currently 156 members, and there's some very experienced affiliate marketers in here to give you help and advice on building Traffic Blaster Pro. So it's a support group as well as a training group. There's questions and answers, acknowledgements, there's proof that it's all working, team support, lots of tips and tricks on how to build Traffic Blaster Pro and build it as a business. So not only use the product yourself to promote some of your offers to buyer traffic on autopilot, but use Traffic Blaster Pro as an income stream. So the once you join Traffic Blaster Pro, then you can join the Facebook group and join this ever-growing team of experienced affiliate marketers as well. And I'll also give you one-to-one mentoring. So alongside this 1K month affiliate training plan with the Click Engine, I've got some other traffic sources that I can recommend if you're on a tight budget and you want to get some ones for free. Then I can show you and help you out with some free traffic sources there as well. If you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you'd like to see some future videos of mine, then please click subscribe and the bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. I've currently got over 550 videos now on the channel, and I do new content every single week. So there'll be links in the description for these 2 offers, and if you've got any questions, leave those in the comments. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.